Good morning. Myself, Dr. Biljit Yadav, Assistant Professor in K.R. Mallam University, along with my course coordinators, Dr. Sada Rashid, Assistant Professor, K.R. Mallam University, and Dr. Mahipal Singh Sakla, Assistant Professor from K.R. Mallam University. We have formulated a course that is Environmental Monitoring and Instrumentation. The NCRF value of this UC course is 5.5. The total credits of this course would be 3 credits. Now, let me go through the course description. Now, this course provides a comprehensive understanding of environmental monitoring techniques and instrumental used for analyzing air, water, soil, and noise pollution. Students will learn sampling methods, data collection, and interpretation using the modern analytical tools. Emphasis is placed on the regulatory standards, quality control, and emerging technologies such as remote sensing and IoT. The course blends theoretical knowledge with practical applications in environmental assessment and management. The objectives of the course would be to understand the principles and methods of environmental monitoring, to familiarize students with modern instrumentation used for air, water, soil, and its quality assessment, to provide hands-on knowledge of sampling, data collection, and interpretation, to evaluate the accuracy, the precision, and reliability of environmental data. Now we'll talk about the course outcomes of this. When the student will take all the courses, the outcome of the course would be he would explain the principles, the scope, and the components of environmental monitoring, including air, water, soil, and noise pollution. It will be helpful to apply appropriate sampling techniques and quality assurance protocols for collection and the reliability of the environmental data. It will be helpful to operate and interpret results from modern analytical instruments used in monitoring air, water, and soil quality. It will be helpful to evaluate the environmental data in context of national and international standards and assess its implications for pollution control. It would be more helpful to analyze the role of emerging technologies such as remote sensing, GIS, and IoT in advancing environmental monitoring and its management. Let me tell you the different modules which will be studied in this part of the course. The first module would be on the fundamentals of environmental monitoring. The student will be able to understand the environmental monitoring, its definition, scope, components of an environment that are air, water, soil, and noises. He will be able to understand the type of pollutants and their sources of the pollutants. In the module 2, we'll be talking about the air and noise monitoring, such as air pollutants, the gaseous, the particulates, ambient air quality standards, sampling techniques of those pollutant gases will be covered under the module 2. Module 3 deals with the water and wastewater monitoring. In this particular module, we'll talk about the quality parameters, physical, chemical, and biological sampling techniques which are used to preserve water, and the instrumentation knowledge such as the pH meter, EC meter, DO meter, and etc. In the module 4, we'll be talking about the soil monitoring and we'll cover the emerging technologies in the source of environmental pollutants. such as soil sampling methods and their preparation, soil pollution indicators, and the parameters such as pH, salinity, heavy metal toxicity, organics, and those analytical instruments such as flame, AAS, ICP-MS, remote sensing, GIS in environmental monitoring, drones, and IoT. I hope these 4 modules would be more interesting, and the assessment methods of the following course would be 40% marks of the internal assessment. The internal assessment consists of 4 major areas like quiz 1 and quiz 2, assignment 1 and assignment 2. Each carries 10 marks. So the total internal marks will be of 40 marks. External marks will be of 60. It will be an external examination. The duration of the examination will be 1.5 hours. The question types will be descriptive, analytical, and case-based questions. Thank you. I hope you will be happy to learn more in the course.